So, how can you make fart noises? First, you have a straw. And first, you open that, put it inside the armpit, and then you put your mouth on it, and then blow like this. If it doesn't work, then try again. And if you can't do it, then look down like that, and then do this. I can't do it. You do that. So that's how you make fart noise on a video with a straw.